student loans. And if you watch to the end of it, there are 3 ideas on how students can boost their finances while at university. Hi, I'm Kerry, the Reform Spender, where we help you achieve your financial goals with confidence. Any links mentioned will be in the description box below. Let's get into it. Student loans in the UK are a little bit different, but they are made up of 3 components. The first being tuition fees, the second being a maintenance loan, the cost of living over the period of a year. There is a parental contribution. The first part, tuition fees, is paid directly by the state to the university up to a total figure of $9,250. Second is the maintenance loan. This covers a portion of the living costs of a student during their time at university. The maintenance loan has 4 categories: whether a student lives at home, lives away from home outside of London, lives away from home in London, or plans as part of their course to study for a year abroad. Maintenance loans are means tested. This means that how much maintenance loan you get will be dependent on the income of your family. Here are 3 ways students can boost their income. Thank you for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.